Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Masha. In today's video we'll be unboxing these ZARA packages and package from Mango that I received recently. So we'll be unboxing and trying on haul, and if you're curious, just stay with me and keep watching. In this haul, I got lots of interesting things for office. If you're not sure what to wear to the office, then just stay with me and we'll start from this small package from Mango. And in this package, I think I only got 2 pieces, but let's find out. And then Juliet is here too, so she's saying hi to you and she's sleeping so sweet and nice. So we'll start off with this Mango package, and I'm really excited about this package because I got a bag in this one, and let me open it right now. It looks like this is very soft, and I think it will go amazing for office outfits because you can create lots of different outfits with using this bag because it has this red color, and you know that red is the second black, so you can wear red with anything pretty much. It has the extra pocket from the front, and also I think you can even put the laptop right here because it's pretty wide and it will fit laptop. Not sure, but and it has some some glue in there. So the next item that I got from Mango is this dress. Let me show you really quick. I got this simple dress in this sand color. It has this cool undertone, and the reason why I got this dress is because you can style this dress in so many ways. You can wear a turtleneck underneath, or you can wear some sweater on top of this dress, or you can even wear some one-piece outfit and to throw some this dress on top like a trench coat or something, because you can style this dress in so many ways, and I'll show you guys. And I got this dress in extra small, so I'll link everything down below. Just check it out. And now we are moving to this small package from ZARA, the first one. I'm gonna get my knife, so I need some help for my knife. So for the first one, I think I'm gonna put it right here. And as you guys notice that I got a new lamp, and the plant name is Boreas, so let me know if you like it or not. And let me know if you name your plants too. So I'm gonna show you. We'll start on this package, and oh yeah, I think I remember this one. The only one thing in this package, it's a ZARA sweater. Yeah, I think it's a sweater or a cardigan. Yeah, it's a cardigan in this black color. It's very soft, and it has the belt right here too. Got this one to wear to the office and to style it with the office outfits. And this particular piece I'm gonna be using in my next video series. Those video series will be about business outfits, how to wear business casual, how to wear casual. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel just not to miss those kind of videos. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a skirt, with pants, with dresses. Yeah, so many options, and it has this V neckline too. I really love it. So this is how it looks from the back. And we are moving to the next package. It will be this huge second package. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna open it in the end because it's big and I'm so curious. I think I know what's inside. Yeah, this is my favorite. I've been waiting for that one. What is in this bag for so long, and they sold out. But yeah, let me show you in the end. Now we'll open this small package. I'm not sure why they sent me 3 packages and they couldn't just put everything in one, but it is what it is. It just broke my plant. Look at that. Okay, so for the next one, it's, oh my goodness, it's so soft. Juliet is so curious about that because it smells like wool. 100% cashmere sweater in this beautiful grayish green color. It's very soft. You know that cashmere is so soft and it's very pleasant to the body, and also it's so warm too. This one is pretty loose and it's not fitted, which I love, and you can wear it with skirts, with jeans, under some coats, or you can even wear it on top of some shirts and different kind of outfits too. So you can style it with in so many ways, but I really love it that it has this V neckline. And the next one is a very basic, like a turtleneck top that you can wear under jackets, sweaters, everything, anything. And I think this one is the must-have for everybody, for everyone who goes to the office. It's just like essential piece that you can wear with the jeans, with pants, with the under some coats, some jackets, and some warm sweaters. So if you have a V neckline, you can always wear this one underneath, and your neck will be warm. And it was only $19. They also have it in black. The white is my favorite color, so I got the white one. And the next one, it's like a 2-piece outfit, and I'm really excited about this one because this one is this blouse and this houndstooth print. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correct, guys, but it's crazy. It's just a crazy word. I got this one to wear with the skirt that I got in that bag, and it's the same print, and I'm in love with this print recently because if you watched my previous video, I got the similar coat with the houndstooth print too, but it has the different sizes of the print itself. So it has the big one and small ones, and I think if you want to create like a total houndstooth print outfit, this is the must-have. And moreover, this video is office haul, so this one is amazing piece to wear to the office. This is how sleeves look, and it's not fitted, it's loose again, so you can wear it with some black pants, with the black skirts, with the same color skirts, or with the jeans even will look nice too, with some sneakers maybe for Friday. And let me show you the skirt. And here's a skirt that I got to wear with this blouse, but the print itself is a little bit smaller, but they go so well together. Skirt has the belt attached to it. It's just the simple black belt, like very thin. I think it adds some detail to it. It's really nice to have something which goes. And the length of the skirt is the midi, maybe even maxi length. I'm not sure. Is it midi or maxi? It doesn't say here. Yeah, I'm gonna try it on anyway and show you guys. This one will go amazing to the office too, because you can create different outfits because of the black and white print. You can wear something white or something black on top, or even something gray on top maybe, or even that sweater that I shown you previously. Yeah, lots of different outfits, and just wear some overknee boots underneath because this is the trend right now. And by the way, this print is very trendy too. If you didn't watch my fall winter 2020 trends, I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. But this is the trend right now. That's why you can see it everywhere now, I think. And the last one, but not least, we're gonna open this huge box from ZARA. Yeah, I finally decided to get these boots because they are amazing. It's such a perfect piece for fall and winter, especially here in California. Winter is not that cold, but you can wear some boots. And this one is over-knee boots, very high, like over-knee boots, like super over-knee boots. Get this ones to wear with the skirts. Also has this interesting heel. I hope you liked my office unboxing and try on haul from ZARA and MANGO. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and also comment down below what was your favorite piece from this outfit, from this video. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!